Hey, what's up guys? In this video I am going to show you how can you show hide a div and toggle show hide in jQuery. So let's start. First of all, in my PHP file I have a button and a paragraph, and in my script tag I have a library of jQuery, and in the other script tag I have a default code for jQuery, which simply means if document is ready then it will trigger the inside code. So let's start. So this is my on click code. If the button is clicked, then it will show or hide the div. So to show hide the div, you have to specify a div. For example, I am going to put the name of the div. To do hide, we use a function hide in jQuery. Okay, on this button click, it will hide this div. We can specify a class name also there. We just have to put a dot and the class name, and I am going to give it there also. On this button click, it will trigger. So let's refresh the page, and in the console there is no error of jQuery, so it is almost cleared. Then on click it is hide. Now it is working. On the other side I can also show the div on the other click. For this we have to specify a class button 1 and another class with button 2. So I am going to put there also with the dot and also there with the dot. So on this click on this first button it will hide, and on the second button it will show the same div. So let's change the name. Okay, I am going to hide it. Now it is working, and on the click of show it is also working. So what if you want to do these two functions by one button? So let's do it. I am going to remove this. Also I am going to remove this. On this button click, this should be toggle. So for toggle we use a toggle function in jQuery, just like hide and show. So I am going to refresh. After that I am going to click it. Now you can see it is hide, and on the second click it will show, just like that. So you can use hide and show functions, or if you want to do it toggle, then you can use it. So guys, if you find my video useful, don't forget like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.